In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we made $17,325 in commission just in one single month posting affiliate links on Instagram. I will share with you my methods, my strategies that helped me to earn this commission just by using free traffic and so much more, okay? So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys miss one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. This is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshots, guys. I can click here. This is my dashboard, marketing tools, and I have reports, payments, post back, sub affiliate commission plan. Even my ID is here. I don't need to show that, but that's fine. So this is my clicks, CTR, and so on. Okay. So for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing using Instagram, step number one, go to Google and search for this website. Search for Fiverr. Click on the first link. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down. Keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. And you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. Okay, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate program. They are really paying good commissions, and from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. They are paying, some commissions can get up to $150 for just one commission. Okay, and if the same people keep buying those services from you, you will keep earning commissions, which is really good. Anyway, so just click here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. As you can see, guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can choose no. Choose your country and choose your language, okay? If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process will take just few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose a good services, profitable services that people will be interested to buy from you on Instagram, and they will share with you one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Instagram. Okay, so pay attention please. What you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr homepage. Go back to this homepage on Fiverr like this. Click on the search for Instagram. Since we are promoting our affiliate links on Instagram, we will search for services related to Instagram. So search for this one, Instagram promotion. Okay, please pay close attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. You will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service, but you need to choose good one. Choose like pro sellers, top rated sellers, level 1 seller, level 2 sellers. Okay, those sellers will be good one. So for example, this one. So for example, I will choose, guys, I will choose this one. This one is pro seller, which is really good. He has over 1,000 reviews. This service starting from $100, which is really good. I will click on his service like this. Just click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. You guys can see, and you guys can see this seller has over 4,000 reviews. Over 4,000 people paid for this service. Do you see how many orders in queue? 184 orders in queue. And you guys keep saying it's not working. Those people who keep saying in the comments it's not working, people are not buying those services. So why this seller has this number of orders in queue? Why people keep coming back? Like, what are you talking about? Which people will buy this service? The question is, which people will buy the service? Of course, people who has Instagram accounts, who want to grow their Instagram account to get more followers, more engagement, and grow their businesses on Instagram. So it's working. You just need to do it correctly and you need to stay consistent. So anyway, So what you will do next, you will be directly in the seller profile page, copy his profile link. That's what you will do. Copy this profile link over here, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Instagram. It's super easy. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. This seller has a video which is really good. Let's check.
Hi, my name is Brian and welcome to our Instagram service.
So this seller is explaining his service and how this seller will help people to grow their Instagram account and get more followers, more engagement, and grow their businesses. So what you will do next, you will double click on the video and you will click over here on save video. You need to save this video to your laptop, okay? And it's easy and it's for free and it's simple. Just click here on save and that's it. This video will be saved to your laptop. Next step, go to Google and search for Canva. Search for Canva like this. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. It's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on create design. Scroll down, search for Instagram Reel. Click on this one. Click on Instagram Reel and you will be directly in this page over here like this. So what you will do next, you will click over here on upload, click on upload file and upload your video that you download from Fiverr about Instagram promotion. Okay, I already have the video here, so let me show you guys how we can do it. This is my video, so just click on your video will be uploaded to Canva like this and your video will be like this. So what you will do, make your video over here just like this.
Any questions? Please do not hesitate to message us. Happy 2020.
And what you will do next, click over here on the background, click on color, background color, use black color like this, okay? After that, click on text, scroll down, choose which text style you want to use for your videos. I'm gonna use this one. Just use simple one and a good one, okay? That will looks clear and simple, okay? I will put this text here. I will delete this one. Decrease the font size of your text and write this sentence. Double click and write this sentence. Check link in my bio to get this service like this, okay? We will put our affiliate link in our Instagram bio, okay? And here you go. It's super easy. I will click on duplicate and I will put this sentence also here. Check link in my bio to get this service, and here you go. You can see.
Hi, my name is Brian and welcome to our Instagram service.
You guys can see your Instagram Reel video. It looks like this. After you finish, click on share, click on download, and this Instagram video will be downloaded to your laptop. After that, go and open an Instagram business page. Start uploading those videos about Instagram that will help people to grow their Instagram page. Put your affiliate links in your bio in your Instagram. You guys can use multiple Instagram accounts. There is no problem with that. You can open 2 accounts, 3 accounts, 5 accounts, but as beginner, start just with 1 account. There is no limit on Instagram. You can upload unlimited reels per day, so which will increase your commissions and your chance to get a lot of commissions, okay? And that's it. That's how you can promote your affiliate links on Instagram. That's how we made this commission, okay? That's how we make like this commissions every single month. I'm not using just Instagram, but Instagram is also one of my traffic sources that I'm using. I'm using YouTube, I'm using Twitter, I'm using LinkedIn, I'm using YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, and so much more, okay? If you guys are interested, you guys can comment in this video affiliate marketing. Also, I have an affiliate marketing course that is available. We'll show you and we'll teach you step by step how we can start affiliate marketing. I share all my methods, all my strategies, all my mistakes, which affiliate links you should start promoting, which affiliate links you should avoid, and so much more. So if you are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email in my description of this video, and I will get back to you guys. I'm really happy to help you, but only please serious people. And that's it. If you guys want to see more videos like this about affiliate marketing, new methods, new strategies, comment also in this video affiliate marketing, and see you in my next videos.